Dilo. Let's clean up together today. Cleaning can be fun when we do it as a team. Toys on the floor, blocks everywhere. Let's pick them up, show that we care. One by one we put away. Clean up time, hooray, hooray. Clean up time, let's sing this happy rhyme. Clean up time, working together feels so fine. Put the cars back in the box, books on the shelf, nice and strong. Dolls and balls in their place. Let's clean up with a smiley face. Clean up time, let's sing this happy rhyme. Clean up time, working together feels so fine. Let's make it a game.
1, 2, 3.
Who can clean the fastest?
You or me?
We laugh and sing while we play. Cleaning is fun.
Hooray today!
Clean up time, let's sing this happy rhyme. Clean up time, Crock Dilo says,
Great job, my friends. It's fine.
wow! Look how clean everything is! You did amazing today! See